In front of me is HonorPad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness. Following that, use this gray switcher next to Automatic, located under Brightness slider, to turn it on, or blue one to turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!